Hi guys, welcome again. So now we're going to do unboxing the Fanatec Clubsport Handbrake. As you can see, because of the item not shipped directly to Malaysia, so again this time around I buy from Germany. Then you can see here, open and released by custom. So basically custom officer already opened up this before me. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully all good. I'm trying to buy from US, but there's no stock on it, so I decided to buy from Germany instead of from US. So this is it, Fanatec Clubsport Handbrake V1.5. Okay, let's see what's we have here. Oh, so the custom not really open up the box, they only open the carton box there to see what's inside. So we have here the quick guide, we have the cables, let me try to take out this. Oh, it's quite longer than I expected. Nice to hold. So this is where the mounting, I think, saw it in the website. Metal handle, foam, metal all over. It's really good. Really cannot wait to use it. Maybe I can install the 2.0 since I already have this handbrake. Fanatec logo. I really admire that logo because of the brand. Maybe I'm a Fanatec so-called fans. Alright, so this is it. As you can see, the Fanatec handbrake unboxing. That's it guys, thanks for watching.